시카고에서 유명한 러시먼의 저택. 러시먼은 모두에게 존경받는 가톨릭 대주교입니다. 그가 샤워를 마치고 나온 그 순간 누군가에게 습격을 당하고 맙니다. 지나가던 우편 배달원의 빠른 신고로 러시먼의 집에 경찰들이 도착하지만 그는 손가락 4개가 잘리고 가슴에는 알 수 없는 숫자가 적혀있는 상태로 잔인하게 살해당했습니다. 한편 그 시각 살해 현장에 있었던 용의자가 피범벅이 된 상태로 경찰에 쫓기고 있었는데 경찰들의 시야에서 사라진 용의자는 이대로 놓치는가 싶었지만 끈질긴 추격 끝에 용의자는 경찰에게 체포되었고, 충격적이었던 이 사건은 실시간으로 방송되어 많은 사람들의 주목을 받게 되는데 그리고 이 소식을 접한 업계 최고의 실력을 가진 변호사 마틴 베일이 붙잡힌 소년을 찾아갑니다. 체포된 용의자는 에런 스탬플러라는 19살밖에 되지 않은 어린 소년이었습니다.
No, sir. No, I don't.
에런을 처음 만난 마틴은 무슨 이유에서인지 그의 무료 변호를 자처하죠.
I'd surely be grateful for anything you could do for me.
처음 만난 에런의 첫인상은 끔찍한 살인사건의 용의자라고 하기엔 그저 겁이 많고 순박한 모습이었는데
No, sir.
So how do you know the Archbishop?
I was begging on the street. He took me into the Savior house.
That was nice of him.
He was like a father to me.
Were you in the room when he was murdered?
There was someone else in that room, Mr. Bayer.
There was a third person?
Yes, sir.
Did you tell the police this?
Yes, I did. But they didn't believe me.
에런은 제3자의 존재를 언급하며 자신이 러시먼을 발견했을 당시엔 이미 살해당한 상태였다 주장하죠.
And then I seen a shadow. I seen a person leaning over Bishop Rushman. Looked up and then it came at me, and that's when I lost the time. It happens to me sometimes. I can't remember nothing.
In other words, I don't want you talking to anyone but me from now on.
Yes, I do.
그렇게 에런의 주장으로 결백을 믿기로 한 베일은 동료들과 함께 본격적으로 재판을 준비합니다.
He's returning a book to the Archbishop. He heard loud noises in the bedroom. He sees a figure, someone in the shadows, kneeling over the body. He blacks out. Next.
Is that it?
The name of the game here is motive. What we have to do here is prove that someone else could have committed the crime. Then we can establish reasonable doubt. So I want to know everything I can about it. Also, I'm going to need a psychiatrist and someone who knows about amnesia.
What does he look like?
Like a Boy Scout.
그 시각 검사 측에서도 에런 사건을 준비 중이었고, 주교 러시먼과 친분이 있던 주검사 선어 씨는 베너블 검사에게 사건을 맡깁니다.
You're the one trying the case. I want the death penalty.
한편 에런의 사건 현장을 찾은 베일은 때마침 현장을 조사하던 베너블과 마주치게 되고
Now tell me, counselor, which one of us is the true headline chaser here?
Want to see some pictures?
Think you're up to it?
베너블은 베일이 선어 씨 밑에서 검사로 일할 당시에 만난 옛 동료이자 전 연인이기도 했죠.
How can you still work for them?
What, you really expect me to trot out after you, Marty?
You knew I was coming here, didn't you?
Been a while since you rubbed up against a woman with a brain.
What is the matter?
사건 현장을 둘러보던 베일은 끔찍했던 그날의 흔적들을 보고 이번 사건이 굉장히 불리할 것이란 걸 직감합니다. 그 길로 에런을 만나러 간 베일. 얼마 뒤 있을 첫 재판을 대비해 두 사람은 작전을 짜는데
Now, once the charges are read, the judge is going to ask you how you plead.
But I'm not guilty, Mr. Bayer.
I don't care. It doesn't matter. I'll say whatever I say. You don't have to worry. You keep your mouth shut. You don't say anything. You do not speak. Your job is just to sit there and look innocent. That's it. That's exactly how I want you to look. Look in the mirror if you have to. That's the look. Don't smile. Don't.
그렇게 다음날 모두가 주목하는 에런의 첫 재판이 열립니다.
Defend Aaron Stampler in the face of all this pressure.
The only pressure is to find the truth. A victim in this case is my client. We have 2 victims here, no suspects. Thank you very much.
All right.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
재판이 시작되자마자 검사 베너블은
State charges the prisoner Aaron Stampler with the crime of murder in the first degree.
에런을 1급 살인죄로 기소하죠. 하지만
Time to make a complete psychiatric.
베일은 곧바로 에런의 불안정한 정신 상태를 내세웁니다.
State versus Appleby. For your review of precedent.
한편 그 시각 에런의 숙소를 조사하던 베일의 동료는 갑자기 나타난 의문의 남자에게 습격을 당하고 맙니다.
This is Alex.
동료를 습격했던 의문의 남자는 에런과 함께 종자로 지내던 알렉스였고,
What do you think he was doing there in your room?
I can't.
Who's Linda?
Linda?
이어서 에런에게 여자친구가 있었다는 사실도 알게 됩니다.
Where is she? I'd like to talk to her.
I don't know where she is.
Let me ask you this. Do you think it could be Alex? Who was that figure you saw at the Archbishop's room?
Alex,
Do you think he's capable of doing it?
I don't know who's capable of such a thing, Mr. Vale.
곧이어 정신과 의사가 찾아와 베일이 요청한 정신 분석을 시작하죠.
Mr. Vale told me that there was a period of time surrounding the Archbishop's death that you don't remember. Is that right?
Yeah, yes. I blacked out.
Were your parents aware of what was happening to you?
어렸을 때 일찍 부모님을 잃고 12살 때부터 종종 기억을 잃은 적이 있었던 에런.
Did you seek treatment?
No. You don't go see a doctor in Creekside unless your leg's broke.
두 번째 재판날 검사 베너블은 체포 당시 피범벅이 되어 있던 에런의 사진을 증거물로 내놓지만 베일은 해당 사진을 배제해달라고 요청하죠.
Next thing you know, he'll be objecting if we want to bring in the murder weapon.
Counsel, please. The photographs are in, Mr. Vale.
하지만 베일의 요청은 거절당하고 재판 분위기는 검사 쪽에 유리하게 흘러갑니다.
Tell me about Linda. Mr. Vale said she was your girlfriend.
한편 계속해서 에런을 면담하던 정신과 의사는 전 애인 린다와의 관계를 물어보는데
She was doing work for Bishop Rushman. We had a nice time together.
Were you sleeping together?
Well, that's private.
I know, I have to ask a question.
린다의 이야기가 나오자 조금 불편한 내색을 보이기 시작하는 에런.
Has she been to see Aaron?
No. Thing is, she went away. Don't even think she knows about it.
You got something for me?
Yeah.
한편 사망한 주교 러시먼의 재단을 조사하던 도중 주검사 선호 씨가 러시먼과 함께 토지개발권에 투자한 사실을 알게 됩니다.
Shaughnessy.
See this lot here? This all used to be houses.
그 길로 곧장 투자자들을 찾아간 베일은 러시먼과 선호 씨가 교회 부근의 오래된 건물들을 모두 사들였지만 막판에 러시먼의 변심으로 선호 씨와 투자자들이 막대한 손실을 입었다는 것을 알게 되죠.
Look, if I need you to, will you testify?
Sure. I'll testify.
정보를 입수한 베일은 러시먼에게 원한이 있을 법한 선호 씨를 찾아갑니다.
This city doesn't burn because I won't permit it.
How much did you lose when he pulled the plug from South River, John?
Do not fuck with me, Marty.
세 번째 재판날 베너블은 범행 당시 사용된 흉기를 증거물로 제출하고 베일은 러시먼과 선호 씨의 투자 사실을 거론하며 계속해서 제3자가 있었다는 에런의 주장을 내세우죠.
And they really don't want you to hear about their theory of motive. They don't have one.
Inspector Woodside, can you explain to the court where these sneakers came from?
They were taken off the defendant when he was apprehended.
And what was the result of the bloodstain analysis done on them?
Blood type and DNA characteristics of Archbishop Rushman.
In the Archbishop's quarters that morning.
There is no evidence to suggest that.
Oh, but there's no evidence to prove there wasn't.
No.
Do you have an opinion whether the killer was left-handed or
That a
right-handed?
left-handed person was using the knife.
To your knowledge, is the defendant left-handed?
Yes, he
Could
is.
have deliberately used his left hand to inflict some of these wounds.
But it is possible.
그렇게 팽팽한 재판이 이어지던 가운데 베너블은 새로운 증거를 제시하는데 시체의 가슴에 새겨진 숫자가 주교가 가지고 있었던 책의 글귀라는 것을 알아낸 것이었죠.
Would you please read this underlined passage to the court?
No man, for any considerable period, without finally getting bewildered as to which may be the truth.
What does that passage mean to you, Captain?
The killer thought that his victim was two-faced, dishonest.
Did you underline that book?
No, Mr. Vale.
No?
I mean, I weren't the only one using Bishop Rushman's library. Everybody borrowed books from Bishop Rushman.
We're losing this case.
베일은 에런이 살인 동기가 없다는 걸 강력히 주장해왔지만 쏟아지는 증거물에 모두가 에런을 범인으로 생각해 재판은 점점 불리해지게 됩니다.
Look, maybe we already got the kid who did this. All the hard evidence is pointing towards him, and you keep refusing to even look at it.
I'm not refusing to look at anything. I don't think he did it.
한편
I want to talk more about your girlfriend Linda now.
No.
Why not?
여자친구 린다의 이야기를 꺼낼 때마다 에런은 예민해지는데
Do you think we can do this later?
Why does talking about Linda Forbes upset you? Okay, I'm sorry. Let me just fix this. Hey, you know what I
그때
Well, how the fuck should I know?
그의 또 다른 인격이 등장합니다. 그런데
What was you saying?
그 시각 베일과 동료는 에런의 방에 있었던 알렉스의 뒤를 쫓고 있었고 가까스로 알렉스를 붙잡은 베일은 그에게서 충격적인 이야기를 듣게 됩니다.
What do you know about the Archbishop's murder? Tape. A tape! Sex stuff.
Are you telling me that Archbishop Rushman is involved with sex stuff?
주교 러시먼은 세 사람에게 성행위를 강요했고 그 모습을 촬영했다는 사실을 말이죠.
But he did kill him, right?
No, he didn't.
곧장 사건 현장을 찾은 베일, 러시먼의 방에서 알렉스가 말한 테이프를 발견합니다. 충격적이게도 비디오 테이프엔 주교가 세 사람에게 성행위를 강요하고 있었죠.
That's it, Aaron. Good. Take off her blouse, Aaron. Isn't that sweet, Linda?
Here's motive. Jesus Christ.
그 길로 곧장 에런을 찾아간 베일.
I'm losing this case.
I never lied to you.
Bullshit! I'm the only one who believes you, and I am that close.
살인 동기가 명확한 비디오 테이프 때문에 자신에게 미리 말하지 않은 사실에 화가 난 베일은 에런을 다그치는데
Do not even think about it. You fucking killed him, didn't you? So full of shit. You did it, didn't you?
그 순간
You little sissy, you make me sick. Hey, this is my cell, Jack. Who the fuck are you?
에런의 또 다른 인격 로이가 나타납니다.
You his lawyer, ain't you?
그리고 기회를 놓치지 않고 로이와 대화를 시도하죠.
Where is Aaron?
You gotta deal with me now, boy.
Aaron gets in trouble, he calls you.
I mean, you seen him with the duh. Aaron don't have the guts to do nothing. It was me.
It was you.
Yes, it was.
It was you.
I can't take it no more, Roy.
Your name is Roy. Do you know? Tell me about Linda.
That little tramp, let me tell you something. Everybody had a piece of her, you know.
So that's why you had to kill Rushman.
You've seen the tape.
Answer me, you son of a bitch.
I'm gonna ask you again. Have you seen that tape?
I saw the tape.
I said get the fucking tape. It's motive, you asshole.
때마침 들어온 정신과 의사 덕에 정신이 돌아온 에런은 조금 전의 일을 전혀 기억하지 못합니다.
He didn't do it. It's textbook multiple personality disorder.
Can't change plea in the middle of a trial.
Put me on the stand, I'll testify.
Besides, insanity is the hardest thing to prove.
My professional opinion? He's sitting in a cell and it's not where he belongs.
그리고 베일은 마음을 다잡습니다.
On my first day of law school, my professor says two things. Every defendant, no matter who he is, regardless of what he's done, has the right to the best defense his attorney can provide. I believe in the notion that people are innocent until proven guilty. I believe in that notion because I choose to believe in the basic goodness of people. Aaron is innocent. It's Roy who is guilty.
How do we do it?
Somehow introducing this whole abuse thing, the tape. No, it actually, what it does is it turns this whole thing around.
Can't put it in. You know that.
But we're not going to.
지금껏 제3자의 범행이라 변호해온 베일은 재판 도중 항변을 바꿀 수 없었기에 재판을 뒤집을 방법이 필요했습니다. 그 방법은 바로 비디오 테이프를 베너블 검사에게 보내 재판에서 그녀가 직접 밝히게 하는 것이었죠.
Where's the tape?
하지만 주교와 같은 재단에 있던 선호 씨는 비디오 테이프가 세상에 공개되는 것을 원치 않았고
Where is it?
At home.
I have some advice for you. I destroyed this tape you should have destroyed like I did the minute you received it.
테이프를 당장 폐기할 것을 명령하죠.
And if you haven't found another motive to hang him on, then God help you.
State calls Thomas Goodman.
하지만 에런의 유죄를 입증할 확실한 증거이기에 베일의 동료를 증인 신청합니다.
Mr. Goodman, have you ever been to my apartment?
I have been there, yes.
Why did you go there?
I was delivering something.
For whom?
Martin Vale.
Could this have been the tape you delivered for Mr. Vale? The people placed this half-inch video cassette tape in evidence, Your Honor. Can you describe for me what's on this tape?
Having sex.
And was the defendant one of the altar boys performing in the Archbishop's home movie?
Yes.
I will not ask you, Mr. Goodman, if you think we have just uncovered motive here.
그렇게 베너블은 선호 씨의 명령을 어기고 재판에서 테이프의 존재를 밝히게 됩니다.
Recess.
Thanks for the advice.
Are you prepared to proceed with your first witness?
The defense calls John Shaughnessy. You serve on the board of an organization known as the Rushman Foundation. Now, would that be true in the case of the now bankrupt South River housing development?
Yes.
What kind of money are we talking about here? I mean,
$60 million.
Quiet.
you and the Archbishop have been friends for, what, 20 years?
That's right.
You've never heard any allegations, charges against the Archbishop during that time?
Not that I recall, no.
그런데 과거에도 주교는 유사한 짓을 저질렀었고 친구였던 선호 씨가 사건을 무마시켰던 사실과 재단의 투자 손실권에도 연루된 사실을 모두 폭로합니다.
Start looking for a job.
다음 재판날 베일은 의사를 내세워 에런의 정신 이상을 밝히려 합니다.
Specifically, multiple personality disorder.
Objection, Your Honor.
Now I know what you're doing. Will you excuse us for a minute?
That is not what he's doing. He's saying he's crazy.
Honor, I'm trying to establish medical basis for amnesia.
That is...
All right, Dr. Arrington, in your opinion, is Aaron Stampler capable of murder?
No, he is not. He is far too traumatized to express normal.
Objection, Your Honor.
That's enough, Mr. Vale.
Is multiple personality disorder your primary area of expertise?
No, I'm a neuropsychologist.
I see. What was his name again?
Roy.
Roy tell you that he had murdered the Archbishop?
But soon after that, I was in the room and saw both Roy and his transformation back to Aaron.
Did you?
No, the tape was off.
Off? Does Aaron Stampler know the difference between right and wrong?
Yes, he would. But it wasn't Aaron.
Oh,
no,
yes,
the-
I know, Doctor. It was Roy. No further questions, Your Honor.
계속되는 재판 속 이번엔 베일이 에런을 신문하죠.
Roy? Aaron.
Was like a father to me. I loved him very much.
Why did you love him?
He saved my life.
Stop your whining, you little girl. Be a man. We've all seen that tape. Did it change your feelings about Archbishop Rushman?
No. He did everything for me.
You know someone named Roy?
No, I don't.
Did you kill Archbishop Rushman?
No.
Thank you. Your witness.
곧이어 베너블 검사의 반대 신문이 시작되고
You loved him. You loved him like a father. He made you and your girlfriend perform demeaning sexual acts for his own gratification.
You don't understand.
He needed to get off, Aaron. That's what he was doing. To perform like a circus animal. That was your function in his life.
No.
그녀는 주교의 성적 학대를 집중적으로 파고들며 에런을 거칠게 몰아세우자 그는 점점 초조해져만 갑니다.
Your clothes, and you don't think that that's another side? I would stab him 78 times with a butcher knife. I would carve numbers into his chest. Swear to God.
결국
Where the hell do you think you're going?
베일의 바램대로 로이의 인격이 나타나고 폭력적으로 변한 로이는 재판장을 아수라장으로 만들어버립니다.
Don't even think of lighting that cigarette, Miss Venable. In fairness to the prosecution, I will declare a mistrial.
Prosecution doesn't want to try this case again, even if it could.
In favor of a bench trial and a blind plea of not guilty by reason of insanity. Let them decide the term of his commitment.
그렇게 베일의 의도대로 에런은 정신 이상으로 인한 감옥이 아닌 병원으로 가게 되죠.
You okay?
곧장 에런에게 무죄 소식을 전하러 온 베일.
There's a very good chance that you can get out someday soon.
You saved my life.
그런데
Hey, Mr. Vale, tell Miss Venable I'm sorry.
뭔가 이상한 그의 마지막 한마디.
You told me you don't remember. You black out. How do you know about her neck?
결국 본색을 드러내는데
Well, good for you, Marty. I have been dying to tell you. To tell you the truth, I'm glad you figured it.
Aaron or Roy or Aaron?
It don't matter who you hear it from. It's the same story.
That cunt just got what she deserved. Had to kill Linda, Mr. Vale.
Cutting up that son of a bitch Rushman, that was just a fucking work of art.
You're good. You are really good. There never was a Roy.
I am disappointed in you. I don't mind telling you. And Aaron, counselor.
이 모든 것은 로이가 무죄 판결을 받기 위해 다중인격을 연기한 것이었습니다.
We did it, man. We fucking did it.
에런의 얌전하고 순진했던 모습에 속은 베일이 넋이 나간 표정으로 구치소를 빠져나오며 영화는 끝이 납니다. 영화는 이중인격이라는 소재를 본격적으로 끌어온 스릴러로 반전 영화 중에서는 손꼽히는 명작 1996년작 프라이멀 피어입니다. 당시 에드워드 노틴의 데뷔작으로 데뷔와 함께 골든글러브 나무주연상을 수상할 정도로 뛰어난 연기력을 보여주었는데요. 흥미진진한 줄거리와 배우들의 명연기 그리고 마지막에 충격적인 반전을 통해 2시간 10분이라는 런닝타임이 짧게 느껴집니다. 명작은 시간이 지나도 명작이라는 말이 있듯이 개봉한 지 20년이 지난 이 영화, 영상에서 보여드리지 못한 에피소드와 명장면들을 꼭 다시 한번 풀영상으로 보시는 걸 추천드립니다. 재밌게 보셨다면 구독과 좋아요 부탁드리며 지금까지 미스터리 시네였습니다. 감사합니다.